Hey, it's Lexi Lou coming to you with another video, and in today's video we're pulling off this bold eye, colorful eye with a bold lip. If you want to see how I got this look and the products that I'm using, then just keep on watching. Also in today's video, I'm loading up a new makeup bag. I got a new bag from Huda Beauty, and if you want to see what I put inside, then you just have to keep on watching. Since I got a new bag, I took this time to have a brain fart. I took this time to reestablish some of my go-to products because I'm always trying new stuff, so my go-to products are always evolving. And before I knew it, I had gotten to like having like 4 little bags. So this was my opportunity to consolidate and figure out what's going to go in my makeup bag. If you are watching this video, be sure that you have clicked the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a post notification. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram. My handle is I am Alexis Tyler. It'll be somewhere here on the screen and linked in the description box below. So be sure to follow me there as well. But let's go ahead and get right into today. Alright, y'all. We are back with another video. Are y'all getting tired of me using this foundation? Well, prepare to be sick of me. I like it, and it's not Alexis if she don't take a couple braids down. I only took 2 down. I took 1 down right here, 1 right here, and I'm thinking about taking 2 more down because one thing we're not gonna do is lose our edges. Abby Evelyn did enough damage as is, so I have already prepped my skin with my skincare and primed my skin with the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum, if it can get into focus there. And of course we're going in with the NYX Makeup Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation. I am wearing the shade 22. It's kind of wondering, did I may do it, put a little bit of 17 in of the Makeup by Mario foundation on here. This is the Makeup by Mario, the Surreal Skin Natural Finish Foundation. This is the color 17N. That's what the bottle looks like. I haven't been mixing these foundations, but I just decided I may want to mix. Oh no! Hey, I decided I may want to mix because I have a new makeup bag, and I will show y'all that in a different video. It may come before or after this, but I have a new makeup bag, and I'm going to use that opportunity to consolidate some of my makeup, and I'll be showing you what I put in there. Alright, we started with the chaos right off the jump, but now we're going in with the Makeup by Mario contour stick, bronzing stick. Is it a bronzing stick? Shaping stick, aka a contour stick. Anyway, I felt like I had 3 of these brushes. I only found 2. One I use for blush, to blend out my liquid blush. This one I've been kind of using for foundation a little bit. So because I can't find the 3rd one, I am pulling out this is an old brush, but e.l.f. does make this brush just longer and clear. This is an e.l.f. stippling brush. I'm going to use this to blend out my contour in hopes that it doesn't disrupt. And I know it says stipple, and I'm not doing stippling motions. I didn't want to do too much on the forehead, so I think this brush is alright. Yeah, I think this brush is alright. It doesn't seem like it's disrupting my base, which I was just concerned because the hairs on the brush, you know, seem kind of prickly. So just want to make sure that wasn't happening. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put on my blush next. This is the e.l.f. liquid camo liquid blush, and this is the color Coral Crush. I'm taking my Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush by It Cosmetics and blending out my liquid blush. I don't know if it's because I have lip balm on my lips right now, but I feel like my skin looks extra juicy. Like, I don't know if the lip balm is giving me that effect, But my skin looks extra juicy and I love it. Maybe it's because of that pump of the Makeup by Mario foundation I put in, because my skincare was exactly the same. So I didn't do anything new with that. Alright, now we're going to pick up our Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. And I'm going to actually let this sit for a good while and show y'all my new makeup. So y'all, in this box, I purchased a new makeup bag by Huda Beauty. I opened the box upside down. Take this time to show y'all. And I waited patiently to show y'all this because I've had this since like Tuesday and it's Sunday. So we're looking at it together for the first time. Comes with a duster bag. Ooh, I love the rope. So cute. So, this is what, oh, upside down. That's what it looks like. It's like a pink patent leather. Oh, it's the details. The zipper says Huda on it. Ooh, little compartment for my brushes. Little section. So what we're going to do as we start to use our essential products today, like I am gonna put the Makeup by Mario in my bag. Ooh, she's a little long. She's a little long. It doesn't really fit. Okay, we put her diagonally in there. I'm gonna put this. These are my two go-to foundations. I've been using this concealer heavily, so I'm gonna put my Estee Lauder in here. And before I was using Estee Lauder, I was heavy into my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, so she's going in there as well. And so is my shaping stick because I'm done with that. And I'm putting 3 liquid blushes in here. This is more of a dusty mauve, like kind of cool tone. I love this. This is what I have on today. And I'm throwing in Rare Beauty because I love Rare as well. So those are all going in there for now. And that's what we have in here so far. But let's blend out this concealer and let's continue to fill this new makeup bag up. Just loving how hydrated my skin is looking. I am setting with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Now this goes in the bag. I know why my skin is looking juicy. I've been greasing my scalp with coconut oil since I got the braids, and it always helps my skin look juicy. This is just my clean blending brush by e.l.f. that I use to make sure my liquid foundation and powder foundation blend down. I'm not done with this, but it's gonna go in the bag. Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable Matte Impeccable Setting Spray. I feel like I have something in my eye. Much I love minis, so I just took the rest of this was the big bottle of the Impeccable Setting Spray. Finally finished it off, put the rest of it in here. And this is going into the bag. Setting spray has gone in. Now we're going to take our sponge and press. Take our powder puff. Make sure those areas are pressed down. Forgot to put in my primer, but the Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks is in. What do we do next? Bronze. So I've been bronzing with the MAC powder foundation, but the weather is changing a little bit, and I don't know if my skin is really changing or if I'm just in the mood for something different. So I've been in the mood for something different recently, and so So I've been picking up this Marc Jacobs bronzer that's very much discontinued, and I'm sure I will continue to use this off camera. But I also really like the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Blurring Bronzer. I always buy the shade medium dark. I think so. I'm going to go in with that because the Makeup by Mario to me it's warm. It's a bronzer. It's warm, but it's not red, really. It's more neutral warm to me. So I think I'm gonna go in with this today. That reminds me of what came with this. It's a mirror, because I kind of need to see myself a little bit more close up. Yeah, that's the bronzer I want. Makeup by Mario makes it into the kit. The reason why I wasn't finished with my powder foundation is because after I bronze, I go over to make sure I didn't give myself any harsh lines and to make sure that it's all just blended and married together. Like, be happy, be merry. That's what I mean, merry. I didn't say married, but married as well. I'm not contouring my nose, but my contour by the Sephora collection is going into the kit. I'm putting my powder foundation in. I'm finally done with it. And the Makeup by Mario bronzer is making it into the kit. I may totally have to rearrange this. Brows are done. So let's put the brow products in. They will more than likely go in this little insert. I am doing a bit of eyeshadow today. So we're going in with the P. Louise base, and this is going into the kit. That's Rumor 3. That's what I have on my lid. Have any of my US girlies used the brand Beauty Bay? They had an eyeshadow palette that looked so beautiful, and I was really tempted to order it, even though after going through my eyeshadow, I don't need to order another palette. But I was really tempted to order it, but it's coming from overseas, and of course I didn't qualify for free shipping, and you have to pay like tariffs and all that stuff on it. The price ended up really adding up, but it was so beautiful. I still considered making the purchase. But I don't have time to be paying that type of price and making that type of gamble for something that ain't worth it, because that'll really tee me off. Hours before I started recording, my girl dropped my eyeshadow palette and shattered the one shadow out of 9 shadows. She shattered the one color that I wanted to use in today's video, so I can't pick this palette up and show you. I keep forgetting to use this, but I'm going to take this time to use it right now. This is by Huda Beauty, the Easy Bake Pressed powder. I'm going to take my sponge. Oops. I normally do this in my hand, but I got shadow in my hand, so I'm taking the back, kind of going over this, and this is going to help me collect any fallout. Powder foundation brush, just brush it off. So I have tight line with this Smashbox Always Sharp waterproof kohl liner. The color Raven. It's the black color. That's what I'm tight lining with. And let me try to show y'all that one shade. Like, to me, that's the star of the show. Even though the Natasha Denona tried to come steal the show. This is the Color Pop It's My Pleasure. I don't even know if they still make this, about this during the pandemic. I use this shade right here, Mr. Sandman. Like, most of all these colors fell out, but only this one shattered. So I don't even know if I got the stuff in the right place, with the exception of this one. That's Mr. Sandman, unless it fell out before. Anyway, I've tight lined, and now I'm just gonna go in with a dark purple to kind of go in on the lash line. Picking up a really deep purple, hoping that it gives me what I want without having to do black or brown. I think it is. Yeah, I really think it is. If I had an even slightly darker purple, that would do it too. Ooh, getting stuff in my eye. I'm not about to get up, so I'm gonna keep using this one. I'm sure I have another palette with an even darker purple, but yes. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. Okay, let's do some blush in the lips. I think for blush, we're gonna go in with the NARS Dolce Vita color. The lips may shock you what I'm gonna do today. I think I may shock myself. Hopefully I like it. So you know what? I am going to put on my lashes, set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then we'll come back and do the lips on camera. Let's get into the lips and stay with me, okay? If you don't like it, then it's okay. The pencil sharpener. Where is my mirror? This is Night Moth by MAC. Okay, that's Night Moth. May take a little brush and try to play with that a little bit. Okay, keep going with me. I think I want an actual bullet. So this is Original Recipe by Give Beauty. I think that's what it's, yeah, Give. You know what? The liquid is gonna be easier to work with. Still Original Recipe, just in a liquid. Trying to let that dry a little bit. Just wanna blot some of the excess off. Picking up Night Moth again. I want to tone down the Night Moth a little bit. So this is Poison by ColourPop. It's bold, but I like it. So this is the final product. You gotta let me know what you think. You know, we're always hearing that purple and red, they go together. And then I was just seeing something and I was like, purple and red really do go together. And normally when I would wear a red lip, I'm normally going with a neutral eye, not doing purple and color and, you know, but I really like the way this turned out. Let me know what you think. Would you try it? I like the way it looks. So this is the finished product. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.